Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to solve Oppo mobile touch vibration problem. Friends, we have Oppo mobile touch vibration problem. So friends, now let's say how to fix and how to solve Oppo mobile vibrate on tap problem setting. One by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, when you tap on your phone button and when you use your Oppo mobile keyboard and your keyboard vibrate and your phone vibrates. So how to fix Oppo mobile vibrate on tap problem setting, one by one step by step we will talk about. So first of all open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. So friends, in your Oppo mobile scroll down here and open your device sound and vibration setting. After turn on my phone sound and vibration setting friends, you want to use vibrate on ring setting, so you can on vibrate on ring setting. Vibrate on silent mode you want to on, so you can on vibrate on silent mode setting is here. So first scroll down here and you can adjust your device volume. You can set ringtone, you can change ringtone sound, notification ringtone sound you can set and change. Well, how to fix vibrate problem? So first click here more sound and haptic setting. Dial pad sound, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, delete sound, touch sound fans you can use. And when touch sound is on, so when off your touch sound and your tap sound problem will solve. And when touch vibration problem you have in your Oppo mobile, so friends click here vibrate on touch setting off. After turn off guys vibrate on touch setting, now friends you can use your Oppo mobile without touch vibration. You can tap on your button and friends you can use your Oppo mobile keyboard without vibrate. You can typing here your keyboard, your Oppo mobile will not vibrate. So like that friends, you can fix and you can solve Oppo mobile vibrate on tap problem setting. Friends, again open your phone setting, open your phone sound and vibration setting, open your phone haptic sound and vibration setting, and friends you want to use vibrate on touch setting. Friends, if you turn on vibrate on touch setting in your Oppo mobile, if you tap on your phone 3 button, your Oppo mobile will vibrate. And when you will typing here, when you will use your Oppo mobile keyboard, your keyboard and your phone will vibrate. So friends, you have vibrate problem in your Oppo mobile Android phone, open your phone setting of your touch vibration setting, your problem will solve. And friends, you can search your vibrate on tap setting also, vibrate on touch, click here of your vibrate on touch setting, your problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.